right, folks, that's it for the show. You lick me, because I didn't move my arm.
Sorry.
It was mashed up my arm. That's it for the show. After that dance break, we're going.
Yeah, that's true. It's worth it.
I'm tired.
Anyway, let us face it. We're talking about it this morning. We literally have months. I think if you really add it up, for true, how much time you spend in traffic, we have months of traffic to endure before the congestion clears up. And believe it or not, last Tuesday's gridlock is the first of many others to come if we get that weather again and with what's going on in the construction. So we're giving you guys the must-haves to keep in your car if you want to keep your sanity in the morning and in your evening commute.
When my grandkids came when they were very young, like probably about a year, so I'm taking them in the rural area with their mama, and them would not keep quiet in the car. So Camila says, don't worry, Daddy, they soon calm down. Takes out our iPad, put it in there in the back, put it down, must say Pocahontas or something, and for the rest, I drive it to them to say so.
I'm not sure it was Pocahontas.
One of them. Could have been, you know. Could have been Pocahontas.
Was that a movie?
Yeah, it was one of them animated. And I told them to say so. That's why I drive it on again. I go, so I said, no, man, something wrong.
Nope, it works like magic.
And then what? Them never say one more word to Otis Rias.
Magic.
So, what are the things we must have? What's this?
I'm getting a little hungry. May I have a snack, please? I really like grapes.
Here are the snack.
You like grape, but I'm going to have apple, sir.
It's grape,
I love you, David.
David, who's David? How are David?
It's a full-blown jacket you're getting every. No, this is Neville.
I love you, David. Who is David?
Well, this is what you carry for the children. So let's start there. As Nev said, if you have kids in the car, if you have a tablet, that's great. Yeah. If you don't, then you carry a little stuffy. And what's that over there?
Well, that's the books for the kids?
Yeah.
Well, that's your book here.
Coloring book.
Coloring book. But it's not going to hard while I'm driving. I'm going to keep quiet so you can color. You're stuck in.
I'm a little hungry. May I have a snack, please? I really like grapes.
There you go.
It's a good though.
So it's a coloring book. Here are your crayons. So them good to go. That can carry you from here to about halfway tree.
Right.
You're still stuck in traffic at halfway tree.
Yeah. So you need to have your juice for your phone. Sometimes what is this thing still really talking after we put him down, girl?
You know, if you say one more word, I'll let you out, make you go up on a bus.
I love
Bus, man. You go on the bus. Bus.
Love you, David.
Bus.
All right. So if your phone dies, you're going to want to make sure that you have some kind of way of giving it some juice. So you charge this, which is your portable charger, before you head into the car. And you carry it with it when your phone dies. You just...
Well, you have to make sure it's that charge.
Correct.
But don't you have a little charger and before you just plug it in your lighter?
If you have that, then you're good. But if you don't have a lighter port to stick this in to charge, then you're going to need to carry your portable charger.
Can you imagine I used to smoke and I don't smoke anymore?
That's so good. High five.
No, you're not getting...
I was really going to give it for you.
There you go.
Why are you going to be so tentative?
Okay.
Sheesh. Car documents.
Whether they're stuck in traffic or not, you need that.
I was just going to say, this is not an option. This is what you need every day, all day.
Whether you're stuck in traffic or not, you
I
need.
think where the discussion really comes in is whether you ought to have the original or
what is the law?
Copy.
If you don't have it, you get a certain amount of time to present it, or if you don't have it, you can be fined.
That's what I've read, but I think it's very discretionary, because I think even with your license, you're supposed to have like 2 days or 3 days to turn it in. They've changed it to no days.
So from you don't have it, you get prosecuted?
Documents, I think you would need to have. What the discussion is do you need your originals, or can you carry copies?
Yeah.
They used to say you were used to
Officer, next time you stop me. Next time when you stop me, officer, tell me where you
steal the car, then they don't want you to steal the original document.
Right, but them don't want to steal the documents at all. Why must I travel with my documents?
They used to say carry the copies in the car, and maybe carry the originals in your bag. Anywho, moving on.
This can eat?
Yes, sir.
What else?
Long traffic.
Yeah.
Get hungry or peckish. Have some nuts. Perhaps some fruit. Or some crackers.
By the way, this is for whom? Us or for Pekingese?
This is everybody who's in the car. That's why you have something for everybody.
Oh.
Right.
CD now.
The
Hopefully
CD,
your car have CD player.
correct. Because a lot of
If not,
cars
ever
now
work. Fame.
are doing USB,
RGR. Hits.
power, Music 99.
What else? Why we need a flashlight, please?
Suppose you break down in the car, you need to look inside or under the hood for something. And you need to...
Wait now. The traffic we are talking about. Why we need flashlight? This your Friday car in front of it? You don't understand. Yeah, but them don't say, them say if you're in traffic. So why
Having
we need
a flashlight handy in a situation where you are stuck in extreme traffic or when stranded will be helpful.
Why?
Extra light will always be needed if you're in an area with no street lights or if you run out of fuel. Also,
That's different now.
listen to what I'm saying.
Sorry.
If you need to attend nature's call, suppose and say it is the middle of the night and you're stuck in the traffic and you say, ooh, what's that feeling? Tingly, tingly. And then you look outside, it's very pitch black. Also a lot of bush. You gentlemen, and the ladies too, you know, should turn on your flashlight. Look first when you catch to the bush, right? You look again because Shubai creatures, you know this, are in the bush that can bite you, especially if, you know, you get a particular bite, it's not going to be a fun bite. So you look to make sure that where you are is animal-free, snake-free, bug-free, lizards-free. And then you do what you're doing and then you turn off on your flashlight and you catch back into your car and voila.
Here's the problem.
And you happy ass?
Here's the problem I have. More I know,
no, we don't need to see the action.
No, I'm going to pull my pants. I have my flashlight.
Let me show you. Let me show you. I don't need to see the actions, man.
Everyone, do you understand?
We know how people put their pants.
Hold up my pants, have the flashlight, and never hold the next thing.
No.
All right,
ew, and also yuck.
Yeah.
All you have to do is take the flashlight, put it in between your mouth teeth, and then, I don't know if
you have experience.
I might have read about this.
Wait now. So make a try. Try it.
Yes.
So
here.
Flashlight up here.
Wait, here.
Pants roll up with one.
Wait, open your mouth now? Right. So go on now. Right. See, it works. Just hold your head down and finish it.
Pants roll up with one hand. Next hand said so. Flashlight, I look. No, sir, I feel me that went up myself.
Try it and tell me Friday.
No, try it.
And tell me if it works.
Well, that's funny, actually.
I have a very practical solution to any time that reach you, because it can reach anybody. Travel with a bottle in your car. I'm not even joking. Because sometimes you end up in situations that are very distressing. Just make sure you just have a bottle that's big enough. Sorry?
I have a question.
Why? Why it can't work?
Hold on, because I'm never going to try that too. Never try that.
Yes,
Because I sit down and I drive. So we're...
You know what though? We don't need to see the actions. Okay, I'm just going to...
No, I driving. So I don't understand how it will work.
Just make sure that the bottle is capable of accommodating whatever type of situation you're in. So obviously you're not going to want a bottle that has a drinking spout or something that's narrow, because that's going to be messy. So you get a bottle that has a big enough.
Okay. What else we need?
I've read.
Why we need so much Anjos? Where we to beat up with people there?
Chuba, if the traffic give you bad stomach. What a mistake. Andrews, of course. Or if you get so angry that you develop a migraine or a headache,
but why would we
you take 2 Panadol.
Why would we need? We call this again?
Maybe if you go into the bush and you get bites, you might want... You might want to cover it with a Band-Aid. Any more questions?
Well,
Are
I
we
think
finished?
we've covered everything. Hold on, these cushion and...
Yes. If
Why
you're
we need a
traveling-
sheet?
If you're traveling with a child or someone elderly, or even yourself and it gets cold, if your, you know, AC is really on blast, then you just fling it over yourself, kind of like, you know, how this is being flung over
We
me
didn't
now.
talk about the biscuit then.
Yes.
Them I can eat too.
You're hungry, man. You can't eat it for breakfast before you come in and go in here.
We're going to go for a break.
I don't think anybody can eat after that demonstration you just showed.
Hopefully, we won't get stuck in traffic
So
and be there
gross.
for too long.
The bottle works.
All right.
I've read.
We'll soon come back.